Hi guys.
What?
Madto mig Bernhoven for check up. Magpa-ultrasound ko. Magpa-ultrasound ng buntis. So, madto mig hospital for ultrasound for our baby boy. Nice ang weather dito kasi mainit. Hindi siya malamig. So, malapit lang yung dito, hospital. Ano lang, mga 5 minutes. Ano ilang parking. So, ilang parking guys. Init. Nice weather. It's hot. So ngayon namin malalaman guys kung i-induce ba ako or normal labor. Kasi malaki si baby kaya kailangan na akong i-induce. Kinakabahan ako. Pero pray lang. Ang ganda talaga ng weather today. Nice weather. Super init. 19 degrees.
Video when you're there, they make ultrasound. No.
Yeah, andito na kami guys. Ito yung hospital dito guys. Ayan. Diba yung hospital nila dito parang bahay. Yan.
You want to get out here already?
No. So mag-park muna kami ng sasakyan. Ang hirap ng parking dito kasi laging punuan. Tingnan mo yung mga sasakyan. Ay, here ani ay. Yeah, okay. Init. Aray. Sorry. It's all here guys. Ang ganda ng ang ganda ng araw. Wow. So nice. The weather is nice. I'm so nervous.
Why?
Kinakabahan ako.
Why?
Sa morning ng hospital here guys. Ni, with this phone ha. Ang laki ng hospital dito. Okay. Ang ganda na. Nahiya man ako mag-video. Oy. Bernhoven.
Remember the last time and do left or right?
Here. But we go to this hospital.
Philippines Health all meter. Yeah.
Here. We go here, right?
On the
It's
20th.
when hospital. Waiting. Alas 4 pag ang mga appointment, guys. Alas 4.
Let me see, the head is here. So it's still moving the head. There's an ear. The back side of the head. The ear. Let me see if we can find the face, but probably the baby is only showing his neck. Not moving. Oh, it's turned all the way.
His head is still down?
Yes, it is. There's his stomach. So where are the Philippines are you from? Which part?
Bohol.
Oh really?
Yeah, you know Bohol?
Yeah, I've been there.
You've been
But
there?
Of course, it's the place to go, right?
Oh.
Bohol is really touristic now.
Yeah.
It wasn't that before.
Oh.
Is die in Pangaw?
I've been in Bohol, I think it's 2010.
2010,
I've been
okay.
to the Philippines
Yeah.
a few times because I love the country.
Yeah.
Oh,
But I worked there in the health center, but mostly Davao, the lower parts,
Oh.
like Mindanao.
Mindanao. So
And then I combined the visit, the work, with enjoying the islands.
yeah, Bohol now is a lot of tourists.
Yes. Baby's moving a lot
Yeah.
because the head was here, but now it is here.
Oh.
So it's, even if we want to plan an induction, the head needs to be there.
It's something all the time.
Yeah, you see his chin, his lips. Oops, gone again.
He never show his face.
Let's see, this is the middle. So the head is on your right. Let me see if I can get the leg to measure. Or your legs. There's the bone and the leg. Baby's moving a lot too. Still enough fluids for the baby to move around. There's your nose, chin, lips, nose. With a hand in front. There's a hand. Oh, mouth open. You see the tongue?
Yeah.
And gone again. Trying to get the whole face in, but yeah, almost. Let's see the Filipino nose.
Oh my god, I think he got my nose.
I told you.
I love your nose.
No.
You will be cute.
No.
Wait, me.
I think it's a face.
Yeah, his arm or hand, yeah. So I'm going to feel one more time.
So, tapos na yung ultrasound ko. So, this time, explain niya yung mga dapat mangyayari.
Ja, ze komt uit de eerste lijn. OGTT is gedaan, staat hier 4.3 en 7.8. Ja. Ja, dan moet ik de eerste lijn, dat is de notitie van die.
So, manan check up guys. Another check up na po next week. So, every week na ako magpunta doon. Ay, doon dito. Every week na nila ako i-monitor. Kasi plan akong i-induce. Pero, prepare ko pa rin na normal labor kaysa induce kasi mas masakit yata pag induce kaysa normal labor eh. Kaya more lakad, more exercise kasi malapit na. 2 weeks na lang guys. I'm so scared. OA. So manguli namin guys. Okay. Maglakaw-lakaw. Need na mag-exercise kasi para hindi ma-induce. Kinakabahan na ako guys. 2 weeks na lang. Yeah, today. So we're going home. So init. So yung next appointment ko is ngayong March 11 and then March 16 kung hindi bababa yung ulo na, I mean nasa baba naman na yung ulo ni baby kaso nasa gilid. So kung hindi siya mapunta sa cervix yung ulo niya is kailangan nilang lagyan ng balloon yung ko. Prem ko. Para mag-open ng cervix. Lapit na.